Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction video. Let's get right into it.
Egg in the middle, take the other half and close it up. Add it to our flour, and you're just gonna want to make sure the whole thing is covered.
You know, this is already starting out bad, but I don't want to judge. So let's just humor them and see what they're doing.
Flour.
Get it nice and dusted. Are you sure this is gonna hold together?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take it out. Put in our egg wash. It's holding up, see?
Looks like a watermelon. I have a feeling this is going to be excellent.
It will be. There we go. Now we have our egg all.
Because it won't be excellent.
Avocado.
That's not funny.
We're gonna pop it into the breadcrumbs.
Beautiful. Get that crispy outside.
Yep.
Let me tell y'all something. That is one supportive husband right there. Because that man is in the background making her think that she is doing something amazing. You hear me?
There we go. That's perfect.
That's going to be so good.
No.
Okay, time to deep fry this.
Throw it in.
Gently.
Nice. Nice sizzle going.
Just drop it in
Yep,
there.
so we're going to let that cook for a couple of minutes.
Because you don't know how to use it.
A couple minutes, right? Not too long?
Not too long. We don't want our egg to get too cooked. We just want a little bit.
We're not going to do it for long because we don't want our egg to get too cooked.
Put a color and then we'll pull it out.
Sounds good. We used a bigger pot this time too.
Yep. Check on this. Oh yeah, we're starting to get some color
Y'all
there.
deserve
Nice.
each other.
Should be almost done.
Yep. I'll let that cook for about another minute and then we'll take it out.
We got the oil at about 380, right?
Yes, about 380.
Y'all don't know.
People are going to be like, that's too hot.
And no one cares
Well, look
about
how
how hot
perfect
the
that
oil
is,
is.
Okay, so
We
it's been
care about the
about 4
nonsense
minutes.
that y'all are doing.
So let's take it out.
Let's do it.
That's perfect color.
Wow, that looks so good.
That looks amazing.
No, it doesn't.
Nice.
There you go.
You know, it's almost like they have to keep reassuring themselves that it looks good. No, it doesn't. It literally only looks good to y'all. No one else.
Now we're going to decorate it a bit.
I'm just going to add some fresh parsley here.
Acting like it's a 5-star meal.
Those are the hugest pieces ever.
And I'm going to take some pepper flakes.
A little extra kick.
A little kick.
I
I like my
kick
eggs
it off
spicy.
the daggone plate. That's what I want to do.
Okay, that looks great. Now let's cut into it.
Let's do it. Right down the middle.
Right down the middle.
Got to make sure you get that egg. Nice.
Gently. Whoa. Wow.
Of course not.
Wow, that looks so good.
Of course it's not cooked. And no, it does not look good. You got to understand. She says she doesn't want the egg to be too cooked. But how much is the egg really going to get cooked when the avocado itself is really thick? So the heat got to go through the avocado and get to the egg to even cook it. Or get even close to cooking it. So of course it's not cooked. This is madness. This is madness. And dude in the background gonna keep saying, oh, it looks so good. No, it doesn't.
That looks amazing.
That worked so perfectly.
See the
No,
little
it's
salt and
not.
pepper?
And I know some people like their eggs runny. I don't like my yolk like fully cooked. I like it to be soft, not runny. Soft.
It's like
Disgusting.
two weird eyeballs staring at you.
Add a little bit of salt.
Got to get some salt in that yolk there.
Yep.
Not too much.
Some black pepper.
I can't stand
All right,
these
let's give it a
two.
shot.
There we go.
I got more egg yolk than you did. Hold on.
Yeah, you did.
Here we go. Here we go.
That's actually so good.
That's so
No,
good.
y'all lying. Look at her face. It's almost like she's
Highly recommend
forcing
this.
through the
Absolutely.
nastiness just to say it's good. It's not. You're lying. You can't fool us. It tastes disgusting. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the worst. Foolishness level is definitely 100 on a scale of 1 to 10. Disgusting, I give that 200. And 0 for creativity. Looks like crap. Can't stand y'all. Now the 0 for creativity now. 0 being the worst. That's disgusting. Hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.